is it possible to drink water without burping? Well, I am gonna see. So cheers, enough talk about chug. Well, it's not gonna work for me because I'm a master at chugging. So, peace. We out.